No trip to Halloween Horror Nights is complete without tripping over one of these things at least twice in one night. Comment below if you've tripped over one of these Q-line K-rails. We are at Universal Studios Hollywood again today to check out all the new Halloween Horror Nights merchandise that just came out. So we're gonna see if we can get our pass holder bobbleheads in the park. They're only open for a couple more minutes, so let's see if they still have any left, and then check out this new merch. I picked myself up a few things for Horror Nights, but this little popcorn bucket here is from Maria, Miss Doolittle. The popcorn goes in the back. And apparently the eyes move. This was $26.99. It comes with free refills. I think the day of, or one free refill. We got one free refill with it. While I did have a ton of stuff in my hand, I showed some restraint and got this Universal Studios Hollywood Pass member pin, which was $12 with Frankenstein. Then I got a new lanyard pouch, that was $5. And this lanyard, Universal Studios Horror Nights Hollywood lanyard for $14. So it was $5 for the pouch, $12 for the pin, $14 for the lanyard. With pass member disc came out to $28.85. I'm going to switch out my pass now. I had the Fast and Furious with just a plain old Universal Studios pouch. But time for an upgrade. It is September. So let's swap this out. Officially retired the old lanyard, which I just got actually when the park reopened. And if you don't like my glasses, I can't find my sunglasses. These are from the Dollar Tree and they're kind of crooked. There you go. I noticed these new banners that are up for a freak show in front of the French Street Bistro. I didn't see these over the weekend, so they are new. I don't believe this one was here either, but it was really crowded on Sunday, so it could have been. This is normally the entry doors to the French Street Bistro, and it's set up for a freak show banner. Very cool. Actually, strike that. I stand corrected. Maybe it's a wine, because it says wines like no other. Then it says tasting is believing, so I'll have to look up. Is freak show a wine? Comment down below if freak show is a wine. Looks like it's from Lodi, California. Yep, it is. Freak Show is a collection of 5 classic California wines, 4 red and 1 Chardonnay. There you go. You learn something every day. So it is Pass Holder Appreciation Days, and you get a free Secret Life of Pet bobblehead, first 3,000 guests. And apparently it wasn't busy today because they still have them. Here is the Universal Studios Hollywood Pass member exclusive bobblehead. It is Max. Is that who it is?
Yeah.
Max from The Secret Life of Pets. That's so cool. Halloween Horror Nights begins September 9th and runs through Halloween weekend. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. And if you're not following us on social media, you can find us at the Funnel Cake Blog on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon in the fog.